Last-Padlocks introduces a complete in-game padlock system, designed for any roleplay server. Players can create and manage padlocks directly in-game, allowing them to secure virtually any door in the world. Locked doors are never static. They can be bypassed through a lockpicking minigame, adding tension, skill, and dynamic outcomes, or breached with force, using a custom animation that simulates physically breaking the door. Using a configurable duplication pad and a custom UI, players can legally duplicate keys. The system also introduces illegal key copying. Through a dedicated minigame, players can create a wax stencil, a wax mold used to replicate a key. That wax stencil can then be processed, using another dedicated pad, to illegally obtain a copy of the key. Every mechanic is designed to encourage interaction, risk, and emergent roleplay. The entire system is fully configurable. Last-Padlocks transforms doors into gameplay.